Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Design. While most of us spend an insane amount of time decorating our home and planning for more efficient interiors, it is often that lonely little corner space that goes unnoticed. Many among us pretty much resign to the fact that there is very little we could do about it and tend to either place a decorative art piece or something quite inconsequential there. Yet there are plenty of wall shelf designs that can turn the boring corner into an exciting display or storage option. All you need to do is look towards your own kitchen for some inspirations. It is amazing to see how that tricky corner in the kitchen is laced with ergonomic shelves, yet we do not do same when it comes to our own bedroom or living space. In this video, you will find few ideas that will hopefully inspire you to incorporate some cool corners wall shelves. For contemporary look with an architectural design quality, standing corner shelves can add a premium look to your space. The shelf don't require anything so mundane as nails or wall brackets. Instead, standing as a unit on the floor and blending into the wall. This style of shelves look particularly good in alternate color of walls, serving the accent of the room. You can always add stuff like books, antiques, trophies, certificates, medals in your standing corners shelf. And to make it more useful, you can also stock up daily utilities like accessories, keys, etc. A home library is something that most of us think about, but never really act upon. A small and quiet reading room is a wonderful addition to any house, and you can use an elaborate L-shaped bookshelf in the corner to turn it into a modest home library. Add some plush seating, smart lighting and a few accessories and you are pretty much set. Whether it is a dining area or your living space, there is always a forgotten and neglected corner. A smart shelf can instantly turn any such corner into an exciting display that showcases creative design. Since picking and placing such shelves takes very little actual work, all you need to do is pick something that suits your existing theme in terms of design and color. A bedroom is the perfect place to put in a snazzy corner shelf that will act both as a display unit and also as a place to stack up all the books. Most modern bedrooms leave the corner space untouched, sometimes to bring in the minimalist feel, but if you are one of blending in form with functionality, then this design works best. A particular effective space saving solution for small apartment homes. Extend the space above your home office workstation by integrating a few flooring shelves in the corners. Even if you do sport a window with a view on one side of the room, you can always use up the space on the adjacent wall. Smart and saving up on legroom floating shelves make an ideal corner shelving options. Outside corner shelves make for a lovely addition to any living room or lounge area. They are easy to incorporate and can be classy extension of your existing shelves as well. While small apartment homes might have a bit of difficulty fitting them in, if you do sport a spacious house, then they also fill up the ample space in a meaningful manner. Curved shelves in the corner make for an aesthetic addition as they add a geometric design that is different from all the squares and rectangles. Even triangular shelves snugly fit in the corner offer a whole new look to the room. Apart from lighting up the vacant corner, they also provide for additional display area. Adding a home workstation in the lonely little corner is a sensible little way of saving up on space. This works great in apartment and homes where you are struggling to find some extra room. You can use this resourcefulness a step higher by adding a floating corner shelves above the home workstation. It's a simple way to tuck away all the office mess. Glass is a material that is becoming quite popular as the most modern architects designers are employing it extensively in designing various structures. With contemporary home using large floor to ceiling glass windows, it makes sense to add floating shelf made of glass to the corner. Glass shelves bringing along with them a sense of light and airy appeal along with the different textural elements. Just because you are going in for a minimalist or even a semi-minimalist look doesn't mean that you are compelled to cut down on shelf space. This living room sports compact floating shelves in the corner that are stylish ergonomically and add a touch visual contrast to the place. A nice way to stack up your favorite titles indeed. Friends, if you are enjoying these designs and ideas on modern corner wall rug designs, then you should definitely consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be a part of our YouTube family member. On Interior Decor Designs, our aim is to simplify and give ideas to our subscriber and make them aware of modern interior decoration design ideas that are going on in this world. If you want more design ideas on interior and exterior designs, then you can check out our website interiordecordesigns.in and also our Android app to get latest ideas according to your choice. You will find all the link in the description box below. Do check them out. Also follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Telegram. Box-shaped shelves next to the crib in this nursery stand out from the rest of the room with ease. They make for visually appealing and stimulating additions as your little one will be engrossed with the goodies that they hold. Adding a sitting area next to the window in the bedroom gives us a chance to take in many sights and sounds outside. But you can take a step further with a corner bookshelf that will come with some desk space as well. Custom crafted floating walnut shelves bring a contemporary twist to any room that they grace. The floating shelves offer an ample display or storage space where you put away all your books and accessories. By altering the number of shelves and spacing between them, one can pretty much obtain a different look every single time. Kids' bedroom can also be a great place to put some corner shelves. When it comes to kid, no matter how big the room is, there will always be necessity for more storage space. Even small floating corner shelves can help in hiding away all the mess. Cute baskets and smart boxes that conceal the clutter can take up this shelf space. Friends, if your budget for your new home renovation is low, then you don't need to spend your hard-earned money on interior designer. To get the latest interior design ideas, you don't need to search the internet or YouTube. You just need to subscribe to our YouTube channel and bookmark our website interiordecordesigns.in. Just have faith in yourself and trust in us. We will showcase you the best interior designs that you will find. All our designs have a combination of modern and trending interior decoration ideas. Just watch all our video and follow our website and app to get your home decorated. There are many ways to style up corner shelves for an impact in your decor. Try using color by either making the shelf stand out in graphic, multi-hued shade or keeping the shelves neutral and adding colored accessories that pop. You can make a feature out of one thing you need to store, like books. Try stacking your books in different directions or organize them by color or size. Corner shelves are widely used as bookcases. Start your styling from the foundation onwards. Choosing interesting shelves to begin with, maybe choose an element of your overall design scheme to highlight, like industrial pipes, shabby chic prints, or vintage paint effects. Create an effective gallery wall by layering framed prints, postcards, and photographs on your shelves. Juxtapose interesting combinations or choose similar colors to keep it exciting. The cost of corner shelving can vary greatly depend on the material, the brand, the amount of shelves, the type of construction, and the amount of weight the shelf can handle, and the innovation of the design. The price range of corner shelves fall between $13 to $1,000, approximately depending on the brand. When looking to purchase your own set of corner shelves, you should shop around to discover styles that you like and then focus your search on finding that styles to fit your budget. Once you know exactly what is that you are looking for, you can easily browse through similar designs by different companies and await sales, end of the line design discounts, or even springs to have your own custom shelves made for you. Friends, hope you like this video on modern world shelf designs. And for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell icon so that you never miss any future updates. For the latest and trending interior decoration design, visit our website interiordecordesigns.in and check out the latest trend in interior decoration. You can also follow us on our social media profiles like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, and Pinterest for more design ideas. All the links are there in the description box below. If you want to take interior decoration design ideas in your pocket and on your smartphone, then you can download our Android app available on Play Store from the link in the description box below. With this, we finish this video here and we'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then, bye and take care.